How to sell art on Society6. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell art on Society6. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Society6, you could also use my affiliate link below the description for earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Society6, it is an online platform designed to help artists sell their work with ease, in which it is a print-on-demand marketplace that allows both amateur and professional artists to create their own online shops and sell their artwork on a variety of products, including art prints, posters, canvases, apparel, home decor items, and many more. And Society6 aims to provide an open platform for artists from over 160 countries to share their creations and earn money from their design. And now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description, or you could also click the join button on the top right corner in here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window that you can simply create your account by clicking this create account button right here, or by entering here your email address and password. And by clicking this create an account, it will show in here if you're here to become a member or become an artist. And since we're here to sell an art, we're going to become an artist. And below here, just fill out all of the required information, including to create your username, create display name, your email address, and also to enter your password in here. And if you're now done signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. And it will show you that you also need to select a plan. We have here Pro, Basic, and Free plan. And as you can see below here, it will show you the corresponding benefits and also the corresponding prices in here, such as customizable artist shop, sell designs on any product, ship to customers worldwide, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to choose the free option. And from here, you also need to pay using your PayPal $0.01 in order to verify your identity in here, since you will not be able to sell your art without verifying your identity in here. And after the identification, just click on the top right corner, then just click this Manage My Post button below here. And upon clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page right here. And on the top panel, it will show us under this design all of the list of our design. You could also click these products that will be printed in our design with here canvas prints, frame art prints, mini art prints, and many more. Wall murals, wallpaper, and other art products in here. And now to start uploading our art, just click this Add New Design button on the top right corner. Then in this pop-up window, all you need to do from here is to simply enter here the title of our art and also upload the design from our computer files. And in uploading your artwork, it will show you on the left side panel some of the things that you need to consider before uploading your artwork. It will show you some of the file types that are acceptable, such as PNG, JPG, or RGB. And from here, just simply enter the design title of your art. For example, I'm going to enter here Lady in Field, and proceed by clicking the continue button below here. And as you can see, you could also upload more than one files of artwork in here. However, by clicking this continue button, will automatically be directed on this page. And as you can see, we're currently under artist agreement for this artwork. And by checking these boxes, it indicates that we represent and warrant that I have right to upload and use this artwork, and it does not violate society's terms of service or copyright trademarks policy. And below, you also need to answer the question, does this artwork contain mature content? But I'm going to click Now to proceed. And now just click the continue button. And after that, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply choose which kind of product that are available to be uploaded the design of our artwork. We have here some of the frame art, floating acrylic paint, and many more. And on the left side panel, it will show us the details that we could also customize, including the category such as painting, drawing, collage, photography, graphic design, and many more. And also, we could also enter here our suggested tags. But at this point, as you can see, some of the art in here, or wall art, is not enable to our product since it does not follow the requirements. So make sure that in uploading your design or artwork, it has a higher resolution in order to be qualified to some of these requirements or minimum dimensions in here. Since as you can see in here, they have a minimum dimensions or file requirements in order for a specific file to be qualified on a specific product. And now from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply re-upload again another artwork that will qualify to these requirements. So just go back again on this page and kindly proceed by simply clicking this Add New Design button on the top right corner. Then in this pop-up window, just simply upload our artwork from our computer files which has a higher resolution. And after that, you could also simply enter here the title of our design on the top panel. So as you can see, for instance, I'm going to enter here the title Man in Suit. And after filling out all of the required information, just click the Continue button again in here and just check these boxes that represent that you are the owner of this artwork and it does not contain any mature content. And upon saving this, we will now be able to be directed again on this page and it will show us all of the products that is applicable or fit on the requirements of this artwork. So as you can see, we have here a variety of choices that we can choose from. We have here mini art, print, or wall art. We also have here frame, art print, and many more. And if you want to start selecting any of those files, you can simply click or turn on this one by simply toggling on some of this art print of product or materials in here. We can simply choose the product that we want to sell with our own artwork or design on it. And on the left side panel, we could also choose some of the different kind of details, including the category in here. I'm going to choose this graphic design and also add here a tags. And as you can see, we have here suggested tags that we could also choose from. You can simply click on it, or alternatively, you could also simply enter under these tags option in here. For instance, digital art. And by clicking the enter button, it will automatically add as our tags in here. You could also add here more tags as possible if you want to. We have here graphic design. However, below here, you could also enter a description of this artwork in which you can use this section to tell the story and inspiration behind your creativity. For example, I'm just going to enter here poker face of handsome man in a suit. And before we click this publish artwork button, we can firstly click this save details button below here to proceed. And if you also want to change some other details, or for example the size of this design to this product, just click this edit button below here. Then you will be able to be directed in here, in which you can simply change the scale size of this artwork in this product. If you want to make it perfectly fit or to make smaller on this canvas or product artwork. And if you're now done customizing, just click the save and enable button below here to save the changes. And upon saving it, it will show you on this pop-up window that you could also apply and crop position to this acrylic box if you want to. Upon enabling the product, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. And aside from that, it will show you in here that you could also choose under the view some other category aside from wall art, maybe your home decor, furniture, office, tech, and many more. But on the top panel, you could also navigate these products to choose which kind of products we want to input our design. We have here poster under wall art, art prints, and many more. While under this pricing, you could also start customizing our markups to make it more profitable upon selling our artwork within the products. Then you can track your earnings by clicking this earnings option on the top panel in here. You can monitor here the number of status of items sold, pending, cleared, and paid, and even your payment history in here. So now to start selling the artwork that we just customized, just go back to this page and below kindly click or check these boxes and click publish artwork. Upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see here that we have now successfully published our artwork in here and we have now sell this artwork online. So overall, that is just basically how you can sell art on Society6. Thank you.